Well, what do you know? I stopped at a McDonald's and I got some more. Rita, say hi to the camera, bumper. Well, what do you know? It's so fancy. Hey, Steve. Hey. Wake up. Good morning, sleepyhead.
I wasn't asleep.
Yes, you were. You look sleepy now. Look at you. Come on, look at you. Look at you.
Were you?
This is McDonald's. It's so fancy. It's within the store. I'm gonna go over there and sneak me up some Cheetos. Here we see Steve coming back with some straws. And here we find little one. Hey, how you doing? I got some juice. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for the straw. Got some juices. These fancy juices. Still waiting for the food, but I still want to go to the store over there and get some stuff. Maybe, like I said, maybe some Cheetos. As we zoom up closely, this is Steve's head. You can see Steve. Das owns McDonald's.
Wait, that's it.
What?
Grab that fish. See this hash brown right here? This is McDonald's one and only hash browns, and with this, I approve it.
Please send us money.
Please.
Okay, so what is this called? Say it. What is it called? Jason Voorhees.
In 10 miles, keep left.
10 miles, keep left. Motherfucking zancudos. South Congress Avenue, exit 227.
No tienes vida. Llévame el carrito de Mr. Bean.
Where?
Acá en un lado, guacha.
That one?
Chingada madre, pensaba que era el pinche el vato de Maine. Este güey se parece un chingo. Se registraba.
Para Carlos Sosa, que también manda saludos para Flora Pentin.
Traffic jam.
Y no es eso, sino que, bueno, creo, ¿verdad? Simplemente...
Traffic jam. Súbele, súbele.
¿Quién es? Ah, tengo una espinilla aquí, ¿o qué, gordo? Ah, la verruga chiquita. Se me está creciendo.
Or Canada.
Your entire window is...
Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay, welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play
vacaciones del terror. Con las actuaciones especiales de Kirino Martínez. Mirolano Martínez. Leslie Martínez. Neta, no lo hiciera, ¿eh? No, yo sé que no. Porque esto es lo que te estoy diciendo. ¿Cómo me gustaría? Si nomás lo digo, hazme ganas de cagar. Si nos dejan, nos vamos. Aquí sale mucho el vato, ¿no? El dragón. Cántame, gordito. Yo creo que podemos ver el nuevo amanecer de un nuevo día. Yo pienso que tú y yo podemos ser felices todavía. Si nos dejan, buscamos un rincón cerca del cielo. Si nos dejan, haremos de las nubes terciopelo. Y ahí, juntitos los dos, cerquita de Dios, será lo que soñamos. Si nos dejan, te llevo de la mano, corazón, y ahí nos vamos. ¿La quieres bailar también? Si nos dejan, buscamos un rincón cerca del cielo. Si nos dejan, haremos de las nubes terciopelo. Y ahí, juntitos los dos, cerquita de Dios, será lo que soñamos. Si nos dejan, te llevo de la mano, corazón, y ahí nos vamos. Si nos dejan, de todos los demás nos olvidamos. Si nos dejan, si nos dejan.
What is that? It's a castle. It's a church? Okay. ¿Viste los otros lugares, no? University. Oh my God. This is Baylor. Juan. Oh, look. Okay, I found your school, look. Aquí viene un carro, está rojo. Look at this traffic jam. You can't see it. Hold on. Wait, what is this?
I have no clue.
This right here to your left.
I know, but like, I don't know what it is.
It's a factory. United we fix.
I did not
¿Qué
rhyme.
tal?
Mira, ¿cómo está?
Mira. Grábale este man.
Hombre,
Traffic.
¿para qué?
Puro construcción. Mira.
Take exit 52B toward TX 121 north of DFW Airport, then keep left to merge onto TX 121 north toward DFW Airport.
Whoa. All I heard was tortilla, TTR, THX.
DFW Airport,
Okay. Tortilla, TW.
Merge onto TX 121 north toward DFW Airport.
What is that? That big old R thing. Oh, look, there's a Dillard's. Rave Motion Pictures. It's a movie. Is it a movie theater or is it a... Mira, ahí está Macy's, Sears, and Dick's Sporting Goods. Y ahí está JCPenney también. No, but what was that? Was that a movie theater or was that a movie production? Okay, question. Where does this begin and where does this end? Really?
Wait, did you say it was an indoor water park?
Oh.
They do have a little bit outside, but they don't have
Well, look at this. Look at the wolves. I like the wolves is what got me. The wolves.
Who's a wolf that we know besides Twilight?
Balto. Balto, right? Balto, the girlfriend from Balto. That is so cool. I like that wolf there. It's howling. Except the wolves have pride. Missy has attitude.
Yeah, wolves have pride. Missy has attitude.
Getting on with the beast. The close up of the wolves. It's so cool. Vlog this up a bit.
Yeah. What?
That looks so cool. Look, mira, este se parece a Missy. No, ¿sabes qué? Ese se parece a Missy. Well, this looks nice. Mom, look at the flowers. Can we steal one? We can't, right? Although we'd be happy to take one. Apparently this is an indoor water park place that I've never heard about. And I'm fairly excited for that. Just look at all these people already registering and coming in. I don't know what to expect. Oh, why does it feel like Disneyland? Oh my goodness, it smells like coffee. Steve, it smells like coffee. There's the oh my gosh, there's the registration. I love the wolf scenery already. This looks like Disney World or something. Wait, Steve, look, my dreams come true. I can finally get up on that treehouse. Take me to the treehouse, Steve. Take me to the treehouse, please. Take me to the treehouse.
We know we can just walk up there, but we gotta.
Oh, sorry. Look, oh, there's the indoor water park. That's cool. Look. Okay, I'm so down for the water park. And there's the line.
I can just picture Sonic right now. Can you see?
Can you see?
Shining on.
What else is there?
Food.
Look at the water park. This looks very, very cool. This one's, I did not see that. Well, this is nice. Let's see. Let's go this way. Oh, I want an antique. That's so cool. Oh my god, no wonder why it smells coffee. There was a Starbucks here all along. What? Okay, Steve, no one, look, no wonder why it smells coffee, because look, there's a Starbucks in here.
We need to trust them. Hey, let's come on.
Okay. My favorite trash can ever. Let's go nuts.
There's an arcade.
There, oh my goodness. We have to go there. We have to come back later because we're trying to find. Oh my god, we're going to the hotel.
Oh god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that was a deer. That was a deer.
Oh my god, that was cute. Happy birthday. Oh, look at this. Love the designs. It's someone's birthday today. Happy birthday. Love the floors. What is this? Oh, someone crying. Oh, Steve, look. Oh my god, that was a beer. This feels like a cozy vlog. Damn it, it's so quiet. Why does it remind me of those things? Steve, I found a moose. Das uns white towels. Or we're gonna sightsee first, but I'm hungry.
Yeah, we should eat first.
Well, let's sightsee. We got tired.
Just a wall.
Catch a breath.
This looks like something from Tier 5.
What? Why would a nice colored log cabin run you something about
No, like the scenery, but don't imagine like it's not happening. It's just a straight hallway.
someone?
It's just a straight blank hallway.
We just found our hotel room. Órale. Órale, un sofá. Una cama. Sorry, Mom, you can go. Well, I smelled coffee downstairs, Mom, because there was a Starbucks downstairs. Like the bathroom. Wait. It's a nice couch.
Oh man, it looks so peaceful.
I like it.
Mom, why do I feel like there's some sort of...
Sorry. Well, the hotel is nice. I like it. I feel like I should be quiet though, because it's so like super quiet. Alright. Se fue la luz en todo el barrio. So I'm at the arcade and look, Flappy Bird has just become the life-death experience of an arcade gamer. It's now an arcade machine, but then over here, oh my goodness, I would not survive this game. You have to apparently pop the balloon or something, but look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I am so coming back to play with Elvis right here. That sounds so wrong in so many ways, but I really don't care. I play Elvis. You win all that money. Hey, it's Speech Free. I'm still playing that. Steve, wait, Steve, that's not the real arcade apartment. That is. That's the, you know what, I take it back. This is the real Flappy Bird arcade. I am still playing this too, once I get money. Oh my gosh, you guys, yes, I am so down for this. Connect 4. And I'm going to win some prizes too.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh look, let's play Connect 4. Listen, you can see them. Well, I'm already loving this place just because it's got an arcade, but I know there's more stuff to see. Oh, I'm still playing Mega Stacker.
Look at this one.
Oh my god, I'm winning you one.
90,000.
This is like heaven right here. Well, that's kind of nice. I love that portrait frame. Oh, that's the pizza place. Look. Okay, this is the pizza place. Oh, there's an ice cream place too. Oh, it's so down. What is this? An antique shop? Is this an antique shop? Is that a laser place? Oh, what? Laser frenzy? I'm so down for that. So this is supposed to be the indoor water park and it looks so majestic. Mom's trying to wave at the plane. And oh my goodness. That is super close. Thank goodness it didn't crash. That place looks very nice. I'm gonna go eat, but then come back later on and then hopefully go pack up our stuff. Or put away our stuff in the room, in the hotel room. And then go in the water park because
that's what we're doing first. First, I'm hungry. I need some food, and we're just gonna enjoy ourselves.
Pizza. Pizza.
There's only 2 plates.
No.
No hay más platos allá. This is work of creation. Oh, bam.